Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this episode, we will update data from database using a new bootstrap modal, which is called bootstrap modal. Is a new bootstrap tool which is called bootstrap modal. Let's see. Our main job is to in this episode is to update data in our database. Let's start. Yes, we will enter our teacher's route. Internet is not here. Yes, we are trying. Yes, now this is working. Let's see. Oh, still not working. So this is working. We will go back. We have created it. This is how it was looking in the previous episode. We will add some names here. Rakib at the rate of create.com. Selected department CSE. So he is added here. We can add and delete any name from here. Another name. Now we will delete this name. It is deleted. So we can create it, read it, delete it. The only option that is left is update it, and we will update it using a special bootstrap tool which is called modal. Let's start. We will create another button here. Now first we will create a modal and see how it actually works. We will make a button here. We will give a class to this button name. This button is actually accessed by the bootstrap.min.css, which is in this file. These classes are accessed by them. Danger button LG, and we will add data toggle equal to modal data target equal to TDP, and we will give hashtag here because we know from CSS that each element in HTML can be accessed if it is given ID through hashtag, and for class we will access that view using dot data target equal to teacher update. Now we will try to create a modal here. Let's see what is looking here. So button is not completed. We will create a first practice the creation of a model here. Let's see. Outside our div tag, yes, it is already created by me. We will recreate it. First we will create div class is equal to modal. We can also give modal fed, this is class name, and the id has to be teacher update. Yes, modal fed teacher update, and inside it we will create another div and it has to be div class is equal to modal dialog. This is called dialog. A dialog will appear. We will soon understand it. Another one is inside our model there will be three parts: header, body, and footer, and all these three will be inside container. Let's say div class equal to modal content, and inside this modal content there will be three parts: header, body, and footer. This is how it actually works. Inside our model we will create something like this, then a tab will create it. This is how it can be created. We will create a button inside the footer part. Head button will appear. Data distance model. Let's see whether it is working or not at first. Yes, this is working. This is called modal dialog, and we will use this modal here. Let's start, and the cancel will dismiss that modal from this code. Data dismiss equal to modal. This modal will be dismissed if you click on this button. We'll try to beautify it according to our needs. Modal body. Modal body. The class column md. MD means medium types of devices. You can explore these things later. Very simple. Now column md to, sorry, this is not required now actually. Input type equal to text, name equal to teacher's name or something like this, edit name. Class equal to form control and place folder equal to edit name. Let's see. This is how it is coming. Another something like this, t class equal to column md10. That's it. To line level. That's how this is working. I was expecting a special, something special. It's not coming. Yes, this is not required at all. Edit name, Let's start. It's not a big problem. Teachers controller. Teachers has how many data there? Teacher's name, email and department. Only 3 parts. So we can implement it easily. Copy it. Label email. That's it. Edit email. You can still give a name here. Edit email. This will be required. Edit name. Now another part is required. It's called department and it will be a drop down. Department. It will come in this manner. Select option. We can actually make these options coming from somewhere else. Later we will do it. Now for this part we will give this input manually. We have already created it. Yes. Option value. That's it. Let's do it first. Yes, we did not specify class and name. Form control and name equal to department edit. Let's say yes, this is how it is coming, and we will submit this value. Spelling mistake, department, that's it, something like this. Yes, yes, yes. Now we can actually make this happen with form. Let's do something another. We will actually create this modal not from here but from here. We will do it now. Button class is here. We will create another button class. button now success teacher edit title is equal to will be edit name equal to teacher edit value equal to okay another type. Let's see what happened. Yes, edit. So modal will come after clicking on this button, not on this button. We have created it to learn the new thing. Now we will delete this button and give this action to this button. Let's do it first. Button class not necessary. Teacher update. We will open it using here teacher edit. Its class is teacher edit, so we will do it in this manner. Dot what will be teacher edit. We'll click function it will give an alert message. Yes, so it is working because the class of each of these buttons are teacher edit, so it will work. Teacher edit, click function. Yes, this is working, and we will start modal from here. Let's see, the ID of the modal was teacher update. Let's see, this is how modal can be initialized through jQuery code. Teacher update dot modal show, and this is the selector for teacher update, and it will cause this event will cause this action show. Let's see whether it is working or not. Yes, this is coming. This is coming for each button. Will work. So this is working, and our job is getting more complicated. Not actually complicated, it will make us learn something new. Now we can create form. Form method is equal to post class is equal to form horizontal action is equal to what can you give it teacher edit. That's it, teacher edit, and here input type as usual equal to hidden. name is equal to, these are built, name is equal to token and value another built-in function csrf underscore token. This is the function, and we know that to write anything that is actually using PHP will be written between two curly braces. Let's see whether it is working or not. We have to give a submit. Yes, input type equal to submit, input type is equal to submit, name equal to updates value, value equal to update. Internet was missing. Now let's see. We have actually created a form here. Method class which is not required, action and method. Action is the most required part, teacher edit, and input type submit, update. Let's see what happened. Yes, edit name, email, department. It will give a false message because I did not specify any route for this action. Let's do it first. Action is teacher edit. Action is teacher edit. Let's do it here. Teacher edit, and it will be, has to be post method, isn't it? Route post teacher edit. We will go to the teacher's controller at the rate of update. That's how it should look like. Teacher's controller at the rate of update. We should go to the teacher's controller method. We will specify public function update. $REQUEST return I am a bad. Let's see whether it is working or not, route is getting or not. Edit name, specify something. Right. So the route is working. We will try to explore something new. Return if you specify RQ all. Let's see what we get from it. Let's see Amir at the rate of gmail.com, department, let's say CSA. Yes, we are getting everything here. Edit name is actually from here, it is coming. Name is edit name. email is edit email, which we have got here. Yes, should not be any space in between them. We have specified a space and they have replaced it with an underscore. Yes, let's do it again. Civil. Yes, so these values will be accessed to enter to update the value in the database. Value of the database will be replaced by these values, and we have to do something more to do that. We have to actually specify the primary key of each button, edit button, and we will do it here. We can access this value from here. Teacher ID, sorry, here we have actually created a, let's do it, text field, and the value of the text field is coming from the teacher ID. Teacher ID edit dot value equal to teacher ID edit value. This is, sorry, this is ID equal to teacher ID edit. This will be accessed. Yes, that's it. Teacher ID edit is into our form. So let's do it. ID 8, ID 5. Allah. Hello. 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 That's it. Now we will submit it. Let's do it. Inside our teachers controller, name, email, department is equal to RQ edit department. That's it. We're getting everything, and ID will come from here. Teacher ID edit, teacher ID edit. That's it. Let's do it. let's do it. Name, RQ, edit name, email, RQ, email, department. So we can specify our model here. Teachers, find or fail, teacher ID, that's how it will work. Teachers, find or fail ID, because this is the primary key. Then it will be something like this. Update, new variable update is created. Update will be something like this. Update name, this part is coming from here, localhost phpMyAdmin, databases, university, browse, ID, name, department and email. Name, department, email. Name is equal to, what will be the name? Name is equal to $name, which is coming from here. Update, update email is equal to $email. Update department is equal to $department, isn't it? Department. And now we will save it. Just update all these values. Let's see whether it is working or not. Return back. We will back to our original page. Return back. Let's do it. Let's see whether it is working or not. We will update this value. Edit name, it is Alamgir. We will edit this name, Alamgir Hussain. Let's do it. Oh, there is a cannot be null. Column, department, yes, everything has to be given here. So let's do it again. Alamgir Hussain. Alamgir dot gmail.com, department civil. Let's do it. Department cannot be null. Update teachers. Let's see what actually happened here. Department, RQ, edit department, whether it is, what is there? Email, department, edit department. We will check it by returning from here. This is coming. Let's see. Return department. Department. So let's see. It's actually the problem. This is not coming here. Oh, let's see. Edit department. Cannot access it. Why? RQ all. Department is coming from here, not coming from there. Department. Let's do it using RQ department. I don't know whether it is not coming or not.